Hey all, let me tell you a little about my journey and how I developed my interest in networking and technology. I am Devika. We are currently a final year electronics and communication engineering student at SNS College of Engineering with a CGPA of 8.86. I come from Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, and my journey into technology has been driven by curiosity, especially about the system, communicate, and how technology connects in the world. During my early years in engineering, I was fascinated by how data travels from one device to another. When I first learned about the OSI models and TCP/IP protocols, I realized that networking is like the nervous system of the digital world. That currently gradually turned into a strong interest in becoming a network engineer. As I progressed in my studies, I built strong fundamentals in networking concepts such as routing, switching, VLANs, DNS, DHCP, and LAN WAN architecture. I didn't just want to memorize concepts, I want to understand how things actually work behind the scenes. To make my learning practical, I explored tools like Wireshark and Nmap. When I first analyzed packets using Wireshark, it felt like decoding a hidden conversation between systems. It helps me understand how protocols operate in real time. Similarly, using Nmap for scanning gave me insight into how network discovery and security testing are performed. Alongside networking, I also developed basic knowledge, firewall concept, and cyber threat awareness because I strongly believe that networking and security go hand in hand. My learning journey was not limited to theory. In July 2024, I had the opportunity to work as an IoT Internet collector. This was an important turning point for me. At Calactron, I worked on a smart home automation system using sensors and microcontrollers. Initially, integrating multiple components was challenging, but through debugging, testing, and collaborations, I learned how to approach problems step by step. This experience improved not only my technical troubleshooting skills but also my patience and teamwork abilities. Apart from my internship, I also worked on a meaningful academic projects. One of my project was a laser home security system using GSM technology. The idea was simple but impactful. If an intruder interrupted the laser beam, the system would send a real-time alert message to the user, building the system strengthened by understanding of embedded system and communication models. Another exciting project was an AI-based automated wall painting robot. The project focused in improving painting efficiency and safety by designing a autonomous robotic system. Working on this project taught me how to combine hardware, programming and intelligent logic into a working solution. Along the way, I also focused on improving my program foundation. I learned C programming, Python basics and data structure. Python especially helped me understand automation logic, which is becoming increasingly important in modern network environments. But my journey was not just technical, it was also about communication and leadership. Throughout my engineering program, English has been the primary medium for presentations, seminars, project discussions, and documentations. Initially, like many students, I was conscious about speaking fluently. However, I consciously worked on improving my communication skills. Became an executive member of youth parliament, which significantly improved my confidence in public speaking. Participating in discussions, expressing opinions clearly, and speaking in front of audiences helped me develop fluency and clarity in English communications. I also served as a joint treasurer in my college, which required responsibility, coordination, and professional communication with faculty and students. Additionally, I participated in a 48-hour hackathon where my team was among the top 6 finalists. The experience taught me how to work under pressure and collaborate efficiently and effectively in a time-bound technical environment. Outside academics, I am also a zonal level basketball player. Basketball has taught me discipline, teamwork, quick decision making, and resilience, qualities that are equally supported in the professional world. And then my industry knowledge, I completed certifications such as Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals, Oracle AI Foundation Associate, and Salesforce AI Associate. These certifications expand my understanding of cloud platforms and enterprises technologies that also improvise me to explore to new areas and new places like cloud platforms is to improve myself into new places and new platforms. Another important aspect of my journey has been learning how to adapt to new technologies quickly. In today's IT environment, networking is no longer limited to physical devices. Concepts like cloud networking, virtual network, and infrastructure automation are becoming very important. So, I have started exploring how networking integrates with cloud platforms and modern IT infrastructure. This has helped me understand that a network engineer today should not only know configuring but also understand scalability, monitoring, and security practices. I also strongly believe in continuous learning. Technology evolves rapidly and staying updated is essential. So I regularly explore networking blogs, online labs, and tutorials to strengthen my practical understanding. Whenever I learn a new concept, I try to visualize how it would work real company network. This habit helps me connect theory with industrial use cases. Today, when I look back at my journey, I see steady growth from beginning curious about how network work to build foundation technical skills, gaining internship experiences, improving communication, and developing leadership qualities. My short-term goal is to begin my career as a network engineer, where I can apply my network fundamentals in real-world infrastructure environments. My long-term goal is to grow into a network security or infrastructure specialist by continuously learning and adapting to evolving technologies. I strongly believe that technical knowledge combined with effective communication and teamwork creates a well routed professional. I'm eager to contribute, learn from experienced professionals, and grow with a dynamic organization. Another thing I value is problem solving attitude. During my academics, projects, and internship, I realized that technical knowledge alone is not enough. Many times, issues do not have direct solutions. In those situations, patience, logical thinking, and collaborations become more important than knowing system or commands. I'm someone who enjoys breaking down problems step by step and learning from each challenges. I also try to maintain a positive and responsible work attitude, whether it is completing tasks on time, supporting teammates, or learning from feedback. I believe professionalism is built through small, consistent actions. I'm always open to feedback because I see it is as a way to improve myself. I'm someone who believes growth happens when we step into challenging environments, learn from experienced teams, and contributed with sincerity. I got to begin that journey here where I can support the organization goals while continuously improving myself technically and professionally. As I prepare to start my professional journey, I'm not just looking for a job. I'm looking for an environment where I can learn from experienced engineers, contribute to real infrastructure system, and gradually grow into a reliable professional. I'm excited about the opportunity to apply my fundamentals, build hands-on experience, and continuously improve both technically and professionally, and also personally. As I move from being a student into the professional working world, I see this opportunity as the starting point of a long learning journey rather than just a role. While exploring infinite computer solutions and understanding the responsibility associated with this position, I felt that the work culture and technical environment here would help me transfer my theoretical knowledge into a real practical skill. I would truly value the chance to be part of Infinite Computer Solutions, learn from this platform, and grow into a dependable professional over time. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present myself today. Thank you.